a circular coil of radius capital R carrying a current IC in an anti-clockwise sense. So here IC is the current carried by circular coil in anti-clockwise direction. A long straight wire is carrying current IE in the negative direction of x-axis. Here is a current IE which is in the negative direction of x-axis. Both are placed in the same plane and the distance between center of coil and straight wire is D. Here the distance of separation between that straight wire and center of coil is D. Now the magnetic field at the center of coil will be 0 for what value of D? Remember, for magnetic field at the center of coil to be 0, net magnetic field at center of coil is 0 only if magnetic field at center of coil due to current carrying coil and magnetic field at the center of coil due to what? There is a conductor carrying current I, they are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. They are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So net B at the center of coil is 0 if magnetic field due to circular coil carrying current at its center is equal to magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current at the center of the coil. Means BO is equal to, or BC is equal to, BC is equal to say BE, where BE represent magnetic field produced by this straight conductor at the center of the coil which is situated at a distance D, and BC represent magnetic field at the center of current carrying coil due to current IE flowing through it. Now what is the value of magnetic field? Magnetic field at the center of coil due to current carrying coil is mu 0 into current flowing through the coil is what? IC. Mu 0 into IC divided by 2 times the radius of coil. What is mu 0 IC upon 2 are represent? It represent magnetic field produced at the center of a coil due to current IC carried by that circular coil, and that is equal to BE. What is this BE? This current carrying straight conductor will produces some magnetic field at the center of the coil, and distance of that center from the conductor it is D. So current magnetic field produced by current carrying conductor is given by mu 0 upon what? Mu 0 upon mu 0 into current. What is the current carried by that conductor? IE divided by mu 0 into IE divided by 2 pi into what is the distance of center of coil from the conductor? It is D. It is what? D. So there is a 2 on both sides get cancelled, mu 0 on both sides get cancelled, and we have this is a D is equal to, take this D to this side. So D is equal to IE into R divided by IC into pi. IC into pi. D is equal to IE into R divided by IC into pi. So option B, IE into R divided by IC into pi. So B is the correct option for this question.